What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone can hear me. I think everyone can hear me. Welcome to the New Age Wall Street TGIF live stream. We do this every Friday. We just kind of get together every Friday, go over some pre-market watch lists and plans, and then we'll trade live together and have a good time. All right. So. Welcome. My name is Cruz. I'm the founder and head trader at newagewallstreet.com. We're primarily an options trading community, but we do get a little bit buck wild. We do trade some small caps and other things here and there, anything that can make us a little bit money. sneakers, Pokemon cards, who the heck knows. Welcome guys, how's everyone doing? All right, guys. Don't have really much announcements or things like that as far as today. The only thing is that you look like a ghost back there, Ariane. The only thing that we do have is that so the New Age Wall Street community is now free. So if you guys want to come hang out, we did we did open up our community for you to come and hang out and kind of interact with the members, and for you to be able to see the way that we take trades, the way we make call outs, and the way just the camaraderie and kind of like the vibes in the room. So which I think is really cool. We work really well as a team. We help each other out. We don't leave anyone behind just struggling on their own. So everyone comes and they have their space in order to be successful in the room. So yes, so the link to the Discord is if you go up the chat. So if you go up in the chat, you can so you can sign up for the room for free. All right. And then if you want to upgrade to be able to see the live stream and stuff like the screen share every day, then you could also go ahead and sign up. It's only $59 a month, and there's other memberships if you want to stay longer as well. Awesome, Sarah, what's up? Nice to meet you. Spiffy, what's up? Good morning. Mauricio, what's up? Si habla español por poco poco. My live stream in the room is mostly English. We have talked about making like a course in Spanish though, so I know that is a big opportunity in the trading community, and I think holistically in the Hispanic community and Latin community that the financial literacy and to be able to trade and stuff, I think that's a huge opportunity. I would love to be able to do that. Clay, what's up? Good morning. Mark, what's up? Good morning. What's up, guys? Let's get into some tickers and stuff here. All right. All right, guys. So right here on the top, that's actually my Discord chat room. If you guys are just here in the YouTube, so then you guys could be able to see call outs and stuff like that from in my room, and then here to the left, this is my flow algo. So this is our option scanner. So our flow through the market. So significant sweeps and blocks, and then we also have. The link for the Discord is if you scroll up on the thing. I pinned it. Yeah, I pinned it. If you go up, I'll post it again. There it is. All right, so there it is, and then so this is my flow algo. I usually trade here on Thinkorswim like this. So what we're talking about here today so far is overall on the market here. So we had the SPY do this really nice run up, and then we've kind of had these two slide offs the last few days, and these slides right here have been bought up really aggressively. You could see these very long wicks down here at the bottom right, and the thing is now we're getting into this compression area where this is getting to an apex where we have to make a decision above the PDC right here, the prior day close price, or below this S1. So this is what we're looking at right here. I'm kind of leaning for us to pull back. I don't like for us to pull back down here to the 383, 385-ish area wouldn't be bad. So I wouldn't be upset with that at all. I think that would be pretty healthy in my opinion. So along with that, what I was looking at is this Tesla, right? So Tesla kind of doing the same thing here, kind of putting in like this if you do like this daily, you could see kind of like this head and shoulder. So head, shoulder area right here, and then it's kind of coming down. This is your neckline right here around the 780. And if we break the 780, we have a pretty good way to come down right here to around 700, 710 or so. So big old gap to be able to fill right here in this area if we come and break down. So that's on the macro what we're looking at, and then on the micro, you could already see that this wants to come down and break this 800. So any type of pop right here, I'm going to be looking at it to get some puts right here on Tesla. So but the thing is if the market starts bouncing and Tesla starts bouncing, I'm going to keep it on a really short leash because we have to break the 780 in order for it to confirm to that downside. Okay. All right. Now, just to let you guys know, as far as my open trades, so I have overnight, I've had Pinterest, which this sucks. I wanted it to stay up here. So Pinterest, I have 90 calls here for February 26th, I believe. Yeah, February 26th. And then, so I want this to get to 100. This was looking really good here on this bigger time frame. So we had earnings pumped up, lost most of its gains right here, mean reversion, put in this base, right? So we got one little dot of the compression right here where we put in this base, and then the entry should have been down here towards the 80. So if it gets there, then cool. Go ahead and add and see if we can make this run up here towards the 100. So looking for that. And then the other one is this DNN. So if you guys don't have like a unusual options activity or an options type scanner, I highly suggest that you look into getting one. It helps tremendously with knowing how big whales are positioning themselves in the market, and then you're able to follow the smart and big money. So so yesterday I was looking at here on this DNN. Once it got above this PDC right here, we started having a bunch of flow coming in on the flow algo for 2.5 calls. And so all day here, and it just kind of held the support. This is already a pretty nice move where it was holding. Then after hours and pre-market, we're holding up here pretty well at this 134. So I'm really excited about this. And then so I have some contracts of DNN here open as well. All right. I don't know what other tickers we're looking at here. Okay. I know some people in my room are looking at FSR. Oh my goodness, dude, I told you guys this FSR right here. So FSR up here at this 18, this thing is gonna get going here pretty nicely. So this started curling up, and so we're looking at this huge base, right? This huge consolidation kind of compression right here, and so on what was it, like Wednesday? On Wednesday, this started popping up right here, and I think one of my guys caught it right here, and he caught it really well. He caught it really well right here at the PDC for it to break up. So we started looking at it then to break above the 16 and break out of that channel. And so I actually bought some towards the close right here, towards this 1560 on this big old flag right here. So then the next morning on this pop up, I sold most of it. So I didn't like this big we call it a Magic Mike candle, or I think it's a shooting star is what it's actually called, candle here. And then so I got out here on this little push, and then I think the market actually started selling on Thursday is why this started happening. So now we have this huge push up here above 18, and this thing could start running pretty freaking aggressively. So that's what we're looking at as far as here today. Okay, I'm actually gonna put this on Twitter real quick. Just give me a second. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So that is that. Do you guys? Oh, see here. Kind of. Kind of. So consolidation, the thing, so I would say compression is more exaggerated consolidation, right? So, but pretty much the same thing. So, interchangeable as well. So, so basically, that's why I use this the TTM right here. So you're able to see, like, if I come on this bigger time frame, right? So the TTM is signaling this period of low volatility, right? So the market doesn't like to go sideways. Like, the market does not like low volatility. The market likes to either trend, or a ticker, I should say, likes to either trend up or down, right? And so whenever this happens, kind of like Nvidia did the other day, right? So I just actually posted this in my Twitter. So Nvidia was in this huge compression and sideways action, like consolidation, right? And now it broke up, and this is just a huge move to the all-time highs right here on Nvidia's, right? So like we had the breakout here around like 560, and then now we're at like 612 or something, I think, in pre-market. So the same thing could happen here where it's already at 18, right? So if it breaks above 18, then we have a little bit of a gap here to 20, and then it could get really aggressive and start moving up too. So very, very nice. Good morning. What's up, Jason? Awesome. So great question here, guys. If you guys have any other tickers you want to review before we get going here at the open, let me know. I'm also going to be keeping an eye on this lemonade. Same thing right here. Beautiful right here, sideways. We put in this base. Now it's trying to break above this 160, and we could get going for this move here to 200. So I'm making this move right here on 200. All right. On Lemonade, how do I decide what my entry point is? So I want one of my setups intraday right here. So basically right here, we're at this 161. If we get any type of pullback towards this 160, that would be awesome, right? So if it could prove to me that it's going to hold up 160, you could see where it wanted to hold around here, right? It wanted to hold right here towards the end of the day. So if it holds around this 160, that would be awesome. If it comes a little bit lower, maybe this 158, and then it proves of support, cool. Then we'll go ahead and try that. QS just popped up pre-market. Q. The guy who bought 230. Okay, naked right here. I don't know which way you're trying to get this to go here on this naked. I don't really like this. It's already pumped up right here. So your entry should have been around $1 right here, right? So this is almost the same setup that we were just talking about. So pumped up, came back, held support, and then your entry would have been about $1 to $2, 50% on a move, dude. That's really nice, right? Or I should say 100%. So then, but right now this thing is just coming down and dying. So unless you're trying to short this, I would just leave it alone. As far as right now, right? So if it comes down and it starts holding support around in this $1 area again, and then maybe they get some type of catalyst, then that would be awesome. All right. Let me get my screen set up here, guys. It sucks that YouTube what it sucks that YouTube copyrights for music and stuff. I like trading that with music on. All right. PayPal, yeah, dude. So PayPal's been pretty good with the whole Bitcoin run here, dude. So this as far as right now, I like this pullback yesterday. So the entry would have been down here. You see where all this volume was done here in this area. So on the pullback, that towards this 285 would have been awesome. Now that's not to say like now we have this little bit of a gap up here today, right? So gap up here. So if we could hold in, I would say around this right here. So actually 291 to 290. If it could prove to hold around that area, then we could see it try to run up to 300. I also have Netflix over here to the side. Netflix and PENN Pen Gaming. So I like how Pen Gaming has come back down to like 111, 110. I think this is going to be a good dip buy opportunity here on Pen, and there's quite a bit of flow, more towards like 130, I believe. So I like that one too. And then keep an eye on MVIS too. Oh, cool. So Pinterest just got upgraded. So all right, guys. Let's see. We got 426 to the bell. Cool. PayPal got a bunch of. Did I say Netflix already? So I am looking at Netflix too. Dash. Seen a few of you guys talking about this Dash yesterday. I don't. I know that this is actually pretty nice. This was a nice tight flag right here, bro. Look at this channel, dude. This is really nice. This breakout right here, and then where are we at right now in pre-market? We're a little bit down. There's not much volume in this, dude, but let's see, 213.26. Yeah, dude, I actually like this. So we could we break above like these 216. We have some room for us to be able to go up. Also, this is a little side thing I'm keeping track of just to keep track of my my setups. I don't get to track my IPO setups too much. So Poshmark right here is put in this base, and now it's trying to curl back up. And if this breaks the neckline here at 80, this could start making a little bit make a pretty nice move. So at least 90, and then maybe even fill this gap right here to 95. All right, guys, let's have a great trade session. We have about a minute 15 of the bell. Make sure you're using your stop loss, mitigating your risk, take profit at your relevant levels, and let's get this money today. Finish the week strong, all right? If you don't like the way that I teach, you could fuck off, dude. If you don't like my terms, there's a reason for the terms that I use in my work, in my chat room, dude. So if you don't know that there's a method to my madness and the way that I teach it, then you could kindly just fucking leave, dude. I don't understand how you could come down to my stream and you're watching me trade. I'm not watching you and then try to tell me what to do. I know. I can't believe you're so rude that you're coming into me and telling me how to fucking trade, dude. So if you could take your rude ass fucking out of here, dude. Off my damn stream. I'm not like other YouTubers, dude. I don't care about subscribers. I don't care about any of that shit. I'm here to make money and to teach. Ooh, this Tesla, bro. It's not done yet. Oh my goodness. And I suggest you fuck off then, dude. Like, seriously, get the fuck out, dude. Go watch someone else's stream if you don't like the way that I'm explaining things. Dude, can we get this fucking dude out of here, Darian? Like you're even bugging the other people. Like they even called you toxic instead of me like saying anything. Like all right, so on this pop up here on Tesla, guys. So I have Tesla right here. So on this pop up, I got some puts here on this pop. I'll go ahead and keep adding here to the pivot, and then if it breaks the pivot, that's my out. So right here. So in at the 796. There we go. This Pinterest is being a piece of crap, bro. All right, so the market spiked up right here. So on the SPY, so I would like to see the fail and for it to come down towards the 380 level. If it starts holding this 390 though, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of my position. All right, so nice bear flag right here on Tesla, guys. So if you come in, so I know this is a 3-minute one here. So let's put in this bear flag. There we go. So what I don't like is these big old wicks right here. Yeah, there we go. So mRNA. Give me a second, bro. Trying to manage these trades right now. 2, 3. Saying that I don't have enough option power. You don't have enough buying power? No, it's saying that, like, I thought options you don't have to have a 25,000 limit. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. It's telling me that, like, I can't execute. Or no, it's saying that I don't have enough. Or it says, let me. Executing one more day trade round trip will restrict the account. Oh, did you ask them to make a cash account? Yeah, it is. But I didn't have this the other day. All right, so try to stay patient right here for the Tesla breakdown. So right here, this S1 is my guide right here. We also have the 800. Yeah, if you have under $25,000 in your account, you could ask for a cash account from your broker, and then options are a cash instrument anyways, so you would be able to trade those. So you'd be able to trade up to the actual equity, the actual capital that you have in your account. Okay. But it wasn't. I didn't have that issue before though. I would just send him a message and ask, bro. All right, so so Tesla broke my pivot right here, guys. So I stopped out on that one. Order filled. All right, let me go to my chat real quick. Let's see, support. Tesla's ripping now, dude.
Voice alert time. DNN. 2 calls. July 16th, 2021. 904 contracts.
MVIS.
PYPL. 290 puts. February 19th, 2021. 574 contracts. FSR. 15 puts. December 17th, 2021. 842 contracts.
Oh, dude, FSR. Oh man, well, it pulled back, so I'd like to see it break up again. On this Tesla, if Tesla holds 800, I'll see if I could. So this is going to be the crossover play right here on Tesla. If it gets back towards this level, and it holds, then I'll buy calls then.
DNN. 2 calls. July 16th, 2021. 700 contracts.
PayPal.
130 calls. February 19th, 2021. 525 contracts.
Watching Tesla, dude. So if it breaks this 800 and it breaks this, if it breaks the pivot again, this S1 at 798.52, then I want the crossover play to the downside.
AAPL. 130 puts. March 19th.
But this market's getting kind of heavy right here, where it doesn't want to get above this 390 right here. So, and what I had said here in pre-market was up towards this PDC, reject, and then come down.
SNDL. 8 calls. March 12th, 2021. 500 contracts. SLV. 29 calls. April 1st, 2021. 760 TWTR. 72 calls. February 26th, 2021. FSR. 20 calls. December 17th, 2021. 511 contracts.
All right, so I'm gonna try these. See what on Tesla. It's trying to hold this 800.
554 contracts. IDP. 1 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
There goes FSR, bro. And Pinterest pushing up here too. looks like Tesla wants to break this pivot again here, dude. This is what I'm not going to chase this thing all day, dude. So this will be like my last time doing this, but I want it to break down. So like I'm a little bit hard biased on that, but I'll cut it quick if it doesn't do it. But this pop right here was, I believe, BS. I'm going to put a montage right here, guys. Right here with the demo account. So we could read tape together, okay?
TSLA 715 puts. February 26th.
There we go. There we got some Tesla flow here down.
121 contracts. TSLA 715 puts.
There we go.
February 26th, 2021. AMP 2 calls. February 19th, 2021. 900 contracts.
I was gonna put the real account number so you know I do have a real account or whatever right here and just cover half of it, but I can't do it without showing it first, so it's gonna have to stay like that for a bit. Dude, there goes Lemonade, bro. There wasn't really a setup on Lemonade. It didn't really compress. Well, I mean, it was kind of a triangle breakout, but that Lemonade was really nice. Yeah, Tesla just looks super heavy. Like anytime it pops up, it's just met kind of with sellers here, and then especially with this 800. So if the market starts pulling back right here, so this is what I wanted, was for the market to come up towards the PDC, and if it starts rejecting here in this area now, it'll pull Tesla down pretty significantly. I don't see anything here on the tape really too crazy.
SNDL 1 puts. February 26th, 2021. 652 contracts.
There we go. A little bit of a pull here. There we go. And if the market starts selling here, it'll drag it down.
XPEV. 65 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. FSLY. 120 calls. February 26th,
There we go, Tesla. Come on.
2021.
Come on, old girl.
194 contracts. LBS. 50 puts. March 19th, 2021. 999 contracts. Light. 92 puts. February 19th, 2021. 720 contracts.
There you go. That taco money. That's what I'm talking about, brother. We could use some taco and tequila money on a Friday. We're going to go have drinks in a little bit, bro. Oh, you have to work. You better bring your laptop with you. I don't even know if he's listening. Are you listening now? Oh.
COP 50 calls. February 19th, 2021. 5,791 LBS. 50 puts. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Any of my guys in the room here add on Pinterest on this dip to 85?
600 QS. 85 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,800 QS. 85 calls. March 19th, 2021. 2,000 contracts.
There we go. Now we're starting to see some selling here. Sorry, did you see that big old area that was just taken out, the 795? So it soaked it up though. So let's see.
Sends 4 calls. March 19th, 2021. 912 contracts. CARG. 32 calls. February 19th, 2021. 800 and sends 4 calls. March 19th, 2021. 991 contracts.
Oh, dude. If you guys on YouTube have any other have tickers that you guys are looking at, let me know. We'll go over them together.
LBS. 55 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. CBS 77 calls.
There we go.
March 19th.
Breaking down this 795. There we go.
Contracts. TSM. 136 calls. February 19th, 2021. 800 contracts.
Airbnb, sorry about that. ABNB. A, B, and B. Yep. Oh, this was really nice setup right here. So we had this pop up into supply. So if you're able to get in here, great. If not, then they give you a second chance here. If it breaks this 209, you're kind of in trouble. It's going to come sliding down. So just keep an eye on that. So here on Airbnb, yeah, if you break that 209, then we have probably this 205. Actually, excuse me, this 206, 207, the 205 area next. I don't know what your bias is on which way that you want it to go, but this this is some pretty significant selling right here. Really good base right here, though. Really good support, but it looks like it's gonna break it here in a second. Yes, this is my dash trader right here, bro.
WFC. 37 calls. May 21st, 2021. 1,552 contracts.
Let's go, Tesla. Do the damn thing. There we go. I'm telling you, if the SPY starts sliding off right here, dude, oh, there goes Tesla.
2021. 316 AMZN. 3,300 calls. March 5th, 2021. 170 contracts.
Yeah, if you guys that are on like Robinhood and stuff like that, I highly recommend you guys use a professional broker. So a professional broker, if you're going to actively day trade, if you're just taking things to hold on to and stuff, great. Like, you know what I mean? Like you could use Robinhood, but if you're going to actively day trade, you have to have the right tools, right? So it's almost like you being a carpenter and you're freaking using a saw as a hammer. Like, can you do it? Can you smack a nail with it? Absolutely. You could probably do it, right? But it isn't the smartest thing to do.
WFC. 37 calls. May 21st, 2021. 1,054 contracts.
I sold one of my some of my Tesla right here in the 794 area here, guys. If it pops up towards like 797 again, I'll add it back. Just keeping myself really safe. I know that there's buyers that are here buying this dip. So oh, look at this Airbnb. It held that support really nicely. So yeah. So this wick right here, this is definitely acknowledged, and right here you could tell that this is the support. So you got to pay yourself right here a little bit. Then any type of pop, if we could still come further down, then great. I'll go ahead and add what I sold back, and then come further down.
TSLA. 740 puts. February 19th, 2021. 761 contracts.
What up? How are your trades?
I can't trade.
It doesn't let you?
Yeah.
Did you send him a message?
Dude, I freaking lost the money because if I had to confirm my trade, by that time it was...
But it's sim money or your real money?
Hmm?
It was sim money or your real money?
Sim.
Oh.
But I can't, like...
680 puts. March 19th, 2021. 899 contracts.
Oh, there goes PENN, Penn Gaming. This is the one I was telling you guys to watch out for. Oh, what a beautiful compression play on Penn. Look at that, Darian. Call it what I want. Consolidation. It's called compression.
January 21st, 2021.
Exactly what you see on the screen here, brother. So this is the exact set that we trade with, that I trade with every day. So this is a TTM squeeze paired with the MACD 2 lines. So these lines right here are not actually the TTM lines; they're actually the MACD. So the MACD lines are right here. This is a custom coded CCI and then MFI candles with pivots and labels.
37 calls. May 21st, 2021. 4,250 contracts.
Your brother just texted me, bro. Yeah. Awesome, Mauricio.
WFC. 37 calls. May 21st, 2021. 5,000 contracts.
So right here, this is the level that we're looking at right here on Tesla. It needs to break this 792-ish area. And if we break the 792, we should get some pretty good slide off. 785 is the macro level that we need to break to the downside.
670 FSR. 19 calls. February 19th, 2021. 198 contracts.
Oh, he said his first week is the week I'm going to be in Puerto Rico.
February 19th, 2021. 100 FSR. 19 calls. February 19th, 2021. 200 FSR. 19 calls.
Dude, FSR is beautiful, dude.
2021. 200 go. 19 calls. February 19th, 2021. 700 PTON. 150 calls. February 12th, 2021. 499 contracts. VLO. 85 calls. June 18th, 2021. 912 contracts.
So I want to see Tesla reject this pivot line here again, guys. So we have some confluence here of my T3, this pivot, and then right above is this 800. And I would love if the SPY could actually pull back. Would have helped me out a lot. Oops, now it's breaking up above. So it did catch a little bit of a bid right here.
80 calls. March 19th, 2021. 716 CCIV 40 calls. February 19th, 2021. 296 contracts. Net 105 calls. March 19th, 2021. 691 contracts. CCIV 50 calls. February 19th, 2021. 463 contracts.
All right, so that's what I wanted, was this rejection right here. There's not any really big like sellers in here. Yeah, either way, there's not any type of like panic or anything as of yet here for this downside. It needs to get down to below the 785.
C70 calls. April 1st, 2021. 770 contracts.
Now, what I don't want this to do is we put in this low, right? We put in a higher low, and I don't want it to put in another higher low right here. So I want it to come and break further down. So if we start putting in another higher low, then this is a bullish signal right here where it's starting to make this. They're starting to try to walk this up the other way. I have to get out then. There we go.
FSR. 19 calls. February 19th, 2021. 315 contracts.
For those of you that don't know, like I actually like Tesla as a company, and it's I know like the culty people that long this thing, bro, like it's hard in that type of situation to be like, oh, okay, like and the way the SPY is moving actually is really pretty strong today. So the SPY, if the SPY starts breaking this PDC right here, I'm probably just going to leave my Tesla position alone. I'll probably get out of it. We'll see, dude. This is starting to put like this pennant kind of thing here, so it needs to break out. Oh, nice, Mike.
BCRX. 14 calls. June 18, 2021. 1,228 contracts.
Long 4 shares. I need to learn the options so I can get above the PDT rule. Yeah, so that's why I actually teach options in my room, dude. I think options for a small account is the way to go. You get a little bit of extra leverage. You get around the PDT rule, so it's a lot better, dude. Yeah, the like pennant wedge right here. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing as well. So, being cognizant of the breakout, and then it looks like it wants to curl up. Like I said, putting in this higher low and then curl up. Definitely heavy around this part, around the 798 to 800. But with how strong the SPY is, we need the SPY to pull back to help us out here a little bit.
AMD. 90 calls. January 21st, 2022. 697 contracts. Open. 35 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1,005 AMD. 90 calls.
All right, so right here on the ask side, so I just saw some big orders here flashing.
930 contracts.
Yeah, so still heavy right here around in this area. Still holding. Let's see. So SPY's right here at a point where we're gonna make a decision. Ooh, nice little wash right there.
Calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Oh, there we go. We're getting some acceleration here on this selling now.
Calls. February 12th, 2021. 100 NVDA. 610 calls. February 12th, 2021. 105 contracts.
There we go. There we go. We're getting some acceleration now. So let's see if we get some volume confirmation. This candle is actually saying a lot right here. So
50 calls. February 12th, 2021. 160 contracts.
So what I've been doing, guys, is I've been just buying the pops, selling the drops. So anytime it pops up here towards this level, I buy and then sell it, and then I'm just keeping a couple contracts in case it breaks. And if it breaks, cool. If not, then that's fine too. I've already made a pretty nice day on this so far. So oh, there we go. Come on, come on, come on, Tesla.
INTC. 65 calls.
There we go.
March
That's what we
19th,
needed here on the SPY.
2021. 664 contracts.
Look at this volume coming in here now.
INTC. 65 calls. March 19th, 2021. 524.
Yeah, so I do definitely recommend DAS over the level 2 on Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim doesn't even give you the full order book. Look how slow this is going compared to the time and sales right here, bro. It's not all the orders that are in the book, dude. So absolutely, I've always traded with DAS. I know, like, even if you're a newer person, even if you're newer, then it costs, like, for the demo, $150. Someone just bought 680 puts. Someone just bought 680 puts on Tesla. So holding on to these here, guys. So yes, so I do advise, even if you're new, to use the demo account on a DAS and use professional tools. So like this is so much easier to use than Thinkorswim to be able to execute trades, and it's just I love it so much. I can't advocate it for trading with Robinhood, trading with Thinkorswim when not having the full order book, dude, is like trading with one arm behind your back. So I do definitely recommend it.
Riot.
For those of you guys that follow me to know how I trade, most of the time I'm nailing and belling trades in and out very quickly. So for you guys to watch me hold this Tesla trade like this and stay patient like this is very, very unprecedented. There you go. Thank you, Arion.
Amount 115 puts. February 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts. AAPL. 136 calls. February 19th, 2021. AAPL. 136 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1009 contracts.
If Tesla gets to 750, Arion's buying drinks today.
Shit, I am.
When do I think Tesla's going to turn around back to the upside? I'm not sure, bro. So if it starts holding this area too hard and aggressively here, dude, then I got to get out. I know that there's support right underneath here, so I got to see this selling keep on coming through the tape. And so far we're looking pretty good as far as the selling come through. You could see the tape start accelerating once we start hitting these key levels. And so I'm liking it so far, but I know that the support is down here at the 785-ish area. So I'm just playing. There's no confirmation on this trade on the macro side yet. Just plain small size back and forth so far. And then once it confirms, then I could definitely get in on some pops for the kill on it. But right now I'm just scalping back and forth on it. But yeah, this ass keeps stacking up here pretty nice, dude. So I covered a little bit more right here, dude. So I sold a little bit more in my puts, just in case we get a little bit of a rip, because I could see where the support is. So for 3 candles so far at the 790, I could see where the support is right here, and you could see anytime it starts coming down a little bit. So here on there it is, that 791. This bid steps in here, and then it starts to try to push it up. So I'm just, like I said, I'm staying really safe, really small size. Once it gets under 785, if we get a pop up, then I'll go ahead and add some size to it.
ATOS. 5 calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
You see how when it drops, it gets bought up aggressively right here. So that's what you don't want if you're short. So if you're long, right, if you're getting long in this area right here for it to pop and go back up, great. We could definitely get back up here to this pivot point. There's definitely support of buyers that is right here. So once we break down this wall, though, if we break down this wall around 790, we're going to get moving pretty quickly and aggressively.
March 19th, 2021. 502 contracts.
Oh, they added 4 calls on DNN. There we go. Look at this acceleration of the tape once we break the 790. If we break the 790 right here, this tape is going to go wild.
CCL 21 calls. February 26th, 2021. 2,083 contracts.
Chewy's a good trader, man. I don't really pull it up too much, but Chewy is a really nice one. There we go. There we go. Look at it. There it goes. You see that acceleration while we're trying to break through? So that's what you want. You see this volume come in? There we go.
85 calls. April 16th, 2021. 500 contracts. Knock.
Oh, man. All right, let's see. We're going to see if we get this party started so we take out low of day now.
500 contracts.
We're starting to get a lot more selling in here. There you go.
XXII 5 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,810 contracts.
There we go. We have this volume increasing here now, dudes. With the selling, this is what you want to see. But we got to take out this low of day and then 785. 785 and then 780 is the actual neckline. There we go. This is what you want to see whenever you're on a trade that you're on the right side. If someone's willing to put $500,000, 400,000 on this, dude, then it's good enough for my position.
TWTR. 85 calls.
There we go.
2021. 545 contracts. AAPL. 142 calls. March 5th, 2021. 1,000. Sohu. 30 calls. June 18th, 2021. 513 contracts. VIAC. 60 puts. March 19th, 2021. 1,000. Momo. 21 calls. April 16th, 2021. 667 contracts.
Bro, I think MP tried to nail this trade the other day and he was just a hair early. And the thing is that if I would have realized this, man, the way that this sold the other day, and just buy the pops, if I would have, I wish I would have not got scared and bought the pop right here. And, dude, it would have been sitting pretty right now. Here we are at the S2. Let's see if we could power through this S2. Oh, nope, a little bit of a bounce. Oh, there we go. More selling.
Momo. 20 calls. July 16th, 2021. 604 contracts. TSLA. 730 puts.
Dude, here comes all the puts on Tesla.
2021. 471 contracts. VIAC. 60 puts. March 19th, 2021. 541 contracts. VIAC. 60 puts. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. SNDL. 3 calls. March 19th, 2021. 2,520 contracts.
Okay, so I took my last position off right here, guys. So I'm anticipating a little bit of a bounce right here. So off of the S2, if it does bounce, I'll go ahead and add. But this is a really nice trade here for me, guys, to finish out my week strong. So just gonna go ahead and take that. That'll be really nice. So let me see, and that'll be my trade day. So all I played was Tesla. 1,469, just playing some small size on Tesla. There's the bounce that we're talking about.
FCAC 12 calls February 19th, 2021 600 FSR 18 calls February 19th, 2021 586 contracts.
All right, so here's that volume increase with that bounce that I was talking about. Good stuff. I try, man. I definitely try. So dude, come on. Right on time. I want to see what happens here in the bounce. So like once it gets to this where this was previous support, right, in this area, 791 to 792, I want to see it reject in that area. Now the VWAP is all the way at 795, so that's also a possibility as well. So but pretty much right here, just as an intraday trade, right on point, dude. Played this thing here from 800 down to 786. I'm not mad about that. Just scalping in and out a couple contracts. I'm not mad, dude.
1007 INTC 64 calls.
Thank you, Pedro. Look at Pedro confirming there for me, bro.
3,572 contracts.
And this is a reversal candle right here, guys. So especially on a 5-minute chart. So this is definitely a reversal candle right here with this long ass wick, this tiny body. So this I think it's like called a hammer candle, right? We call it a reverse magic mic. So, and exactly like I said right here at the 792, we're going to make that decision if we're going to reject and come back and test again, or we're going to break up and go higher.
137 calls. February 19th, 2021. Momo. 21 calls. July 16th, 2021. 609 knock. 4 puts. March 19th, 2021. 948 contracts.
Yeah, so it's actually not even in the OneNote. Are you looking at my screen, partner? And I'll walk you through on how to do it right now.
500 GM 60 calls. March 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Okay, give me a second, okay? I'm trying to pull up my chart. I don't know. All right. All right. Oh, the spy popping up here really strong. All right. All right, partner. So if you come over here, dude, and you're looking at you're looking at your Thinkorswim, then what you want to do is come over to the chart area to configure the chart. I think it's under right here. So this little gear cog right here. Excuse me, I pressed the wrong one. So this gear cog right here. And then right here where on this right hand side where it says overlap volume, make sure that one is checked. So check that one and then just press OK. And then it'll put the volume right here on the same chart.
BLMN 25 calls. March 19th, 2021. 808 QS 52 calls. March 5th, 2021. 501 contracts. SPY 395 calls. February 16th, 2021. 5,685 contracts.
Oh, no worries, brother. I always forget too. I always forget that there's this gear cog right here on this toolbar. I always forget that when I always go to the one up here or the one right here. I always forget that there's this one on the chart. And here we are here with that reversal on the bounce right here on Tesla. So on this here, so we said the VWAP is here at 795, right? So 794.81 right now. So that's where we're going to make a decision here if we're going to reject and then come back further or come back down to here. So any type of pop up here towards the 800 to reload on puts for like the longer term to come down is going to be a gift. So I'll look at that and weigh out those options in order to be able to take that trade.
April 16th, 2021. 1,000
On Tesla, yeah. So 800 is going to be that level, dude. 795, yeah, that too. Do you drink coffee, area?
Yeah.
Or just Red Bull or whatever?
Just Red Bull?
AG 25 calls. March 19th, 2021. 534 contracts. INTC 62 calls. February 19th, 2021. 524 contracts.
There we go.
LBS 57 calls. March 19th, 2021. 607 contracts. INTC 62 calls. April 16th, 2021. 848 contracts.
I like that, Adonis. If you can hear me, I like that, brother. I will not bet against Dave Portnoy, I'll tell you that much.
September 17th, 2021. 520 QS. 60 calls. February 19th, 2021. 882 contracts.
See, now we rejected that VWAP area right here. So that's where we're trying to make that decision now. Sonsa Tiffany, what?
WMB. 27 calls. May 21st, 2021. 600 in INTC. 65 calls.
Why are you talking shit about my chick, bro?
500 INTC. 65 calls. June 18th, 2021. 805 contracts.
FSR is in a really nice compression right here, guys. So consolidating sideways right here. Now that other guy got me all messed up, dude. So
INTC. 63.
it's a nice flag right here on FSR here to the side. This is on the macro. This is on the 5 minute, or I should say like mid, but 5 minute right here. Nice flag on FSR. It needs to accumulate a little bit to get above 20. And then so if you come over to the smaller one here, you could see where we had a compression right here, and it's starting to try to make itself up here again. And then if you come to the way bigger time frame, you could see where our target point right here is the 20, and we're almost there to the 20. So this could get going here within needs another like day or so, and we may get to like 25, day or two.
INTC. 67
All right.
calls. April 16th, 2021. 750 contracts.
And there goes Tesla, dude. So Tesla's right here testing this VWAP to go up. Bro, I cannot be happier with this trade. I was in the trade for like over an hour, I think. And just going back and forth, like I said, with some small size, making a paycheck. So
95 calls.
this was really nice.
2021. 700 INTC. 65 calls. April 16th.
Someone in the room was playing INTC. Is anyone?
1,155 contracts.
Check out Netflix. Netflix down here in this area, guys.
April 16th, 2021. 1,278 contracts.
All right, guys. For you guys that are sitting here watching trading, I think I'm going to wrap up my day here today. I appreciate you guys coming and hanging out. All I needed was one good trade here today, so finish up the day strong. So I'll take it. I think it was like $1,500 or something like that. I still have my Pinterest open. So Pinterest over here just kind of going sideways off of the 86. I still have time on that. It's a swing trade, so I'll go ahead and leave it. And I also covered my DNN on the other account. That was like $500. So I had a lot of contracts of those, and they were up at the open, so I went ahead and took them right away. And not a big deal, dude. Like, I think that this thing, they're trying to short this thing way back down. I don't feel 100% comfortable and confident in it. There's not any more catalyst. The catalyst was the other day, so I'm gonna left that alone. I just took my profit and let it be. All right. Everything else. So pen was really nice here off of the bottom of the 112. The really nice compression move off of the on pen. MVIS gave a nice opportunity.
January 21st.
And Amazon actually here from the bottom right here. Amazon double top, or excuse me, tapped this 3240 area a few times, and now is making itself up, and the SPY is ripping here now. So really proud of this trade here right now. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you care or whatever, like just keep it real, like with my P&L stuff. So okay. So here's the P&L for the day here, guys. Let me pop it out. So right here, you can see that it's a real account. This is the demo one here that I was showing here in the bottom that I used to be able to teach and educate with my team. This is the real account here, 1469 on the day. This is my Pinterest that's still open. It's down a little bit, so pretty good. Gonna go ahead and keep call it a day there. If you guys want to sign up, like I said, the community is free now for New Age Wall Street here, guys. So come and hang out with us. You're able to see like all the call outs and everything to all the call outs that we make in the room and everything. And you're able to interact with everyone else as well. If you want to upgrade the membership and be able to see the live screen share, just like we kind of shared right now. So the live screen share, me call out trades and me on the microphone every day, then the membership's only $60 a month. So $59.99 a month. So it's like, dude, it's less than some gym memberships, dude. So I don't know. And then I don't know of any gym membership that pays you back. So I'll give you some knowledge so you can make some awesome money. So thank you guys for coming and hanging out. We have Sunday Stockcast on. Actually, let's do Sunday Stockcast on Monday since we have a long weekend. Sunday Stockcast is going to be on Monday. We'll do it at 6 p.m. My time. And then
19 calls.
and then we'll do 8 p.m. Eastern, okay? And then come back next Friday. We'll do the same thing next Friday. If you want to come hang out, we'll trade live next Friday starting at 9 a.m. Eastern, all right? You guys take it easy. Have a great long weekend, all right? See you guys.
2020.